As demand for precision crafting grows, laser engraving machines are becoming essential tools for hobbyists, DIY creators, and small businesses. Much like enthusiasts choosing keyboards for optimal switch feel and layout, users now look for engravers based on beam type, build quality, accuracy, software compatibility, and value.
List number 1. ACMur S1 Laser Engraver. The ACMur S1 Laser Engraver is a powerful and highly reliable engraving machine, ideal for beginners and professionals who want to handle both delicate and demanding engraving tasks. One of the standout features of this model is its industrial-grade structural stability, delivering precise engraving even at higher speeds. With a robust frame and rigid construction, the machine minimizes vibration and maintains consistent output, making it suitable for projects involving wood, leather, acrylic, stainless steel, and coated metals. Its laser module offers strong cutting capability thanks to compressed spot technology, which concentrates the beam for cleaner edges and deeper cuts. This results in accurate marking whether you're customizing gifts or producing small batch commercial items. The engraving area is generous, giving users space to work on larger items like wooden plaques or custom signage. The machine also integrates essential safety features such as flame detection, emergency stop, and protective covers over the laser module. What makes the ACMur S1 especially appealing is its user-friendly setup and compatibility with popular software like Laser GRBL and Lightburn. Whether you're creating labels, patterns, or detailed artwork, the S1 provides smooth performance and dependable accuracy. Overall, the ACMur S1 is an excellent all-round choice for users seeking a blend of power, precision, and affordability in a sturdy and safe machine.
List number 2. Longer Laser Engraver Ray 5 5-watt, higher accuracy DIY laser engraving machine. The longer Ray 5 5-watt laser engraver is designed for makers who want high accuracy at an accessible price point. Despite having a 5-watt laser output, this model packs impressive precision thanks to its 0.08mm by 0.08mm ultra-fine laser spot. This makes it ideal for engraving text, intricate artwork, QR codes, logos, and detailed graphics on materials like wood, paper, leather, and certain plastics. A standout feature of the Ray 5 5-watt is its built-in 3.5-inch touchscreen, which allows users to control the machine without needing a computer. The offline operation capability makes workflow smoother, especially for small business owners or crafters who prefer standalone operation. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, TF card support, and robust software compatibility, the Ray 5 5-watt offers flexible usage options that adapt to various creative environments. Another advantage of this engraver is its multiple safety protections, including flame detection, motion sensing, fire alarms, and an emergency stop button. These features ensure peace of mind during long engraving sessions. The machine's aluminum alloy frame provides structural stability, preventing wobbling during detailed projects and maintaining accurate engraving over time.
List number 3. Longer Nano Pro 12,000 milliwatt professional engraving machine. The Longer Nano Pro 12,000 milliwatt or 12-watt engraving machine is engineered for users who need more power than entry-level engravers, but still want compact portability and affordability. With a full 12-watt optical power output, it can cut through thicker materials than the 5-watt models, while still maintaining accuracy. This makes it a solid choice for engraving and cutting wood, cardboard, leather, paper, and select plastics with enhanced depth and speed. One of the most appealing features is its compact and lightweight design. The Nano Pro is extremely portable, making it ideal for creators who work in small spaces, attend craft fairs, or run mobile customization businesses. Despite its small size, the engraver's precision is excellent thanks to its upgraded laser module with improved heat dissipation, allowing longer engraving sessions without overheating. Its engraving area is smaller compared to larger desktop models, but it's more than adequate for phone cases, wallets, keychains, jewelry, coasters, accessories, and small commercial goods. With its fast engraving speed, the Nano Pro efficiently handles batch production of small items, giving creators more output in less time.
List number 4. Longer Laser Engraver Ray 5 10,000 milliwatts engraving machine. The longer Ray 5 10,000 milliwatts 10-watt engraving machine delivers a strong balance of power and precision for hobbyists and business users who want both deep cutting ability and fine engraving detail. The 10-watt laser module uses dual beam compression technology, enabling enhanced cutting performance and cleaner results on wood, acrylic, leather, dark plastics, and anodized metal surfaces. Its touch-enabled 3.5-inch display makes standalone operation easy, eliminating the constant need for a connected PC. The Ray 5 10W also includes Wi-Fi connectivity, TF card support, and multiple control options, giving users a more flexible and convenient workflow. Whether you're designing from your computer or running projects directly from the machine, the interface stays responsive and intuitive. What sets the Ray 5 10W apart is its upgraded high-precision linear rail design, which ensures stable, vibration-free movement. This significantly increases engraving accuracy, especially for detailed patterns, text, and fine artwork. The larger 400 by 400 millimeter engraving area also provides plenty of workspace for cutting boards, signage, decorations, and custom artwork.
List number 5. Longer Ray 5 Laser Engraver 20,000 milliwatts laser cutter 130-watt CNC laser cutter. The longer Ray 5 20,000 milliwatts or 20-watt laser engraver is a powerhouse designed for users who demand maximum cutting strength and high productivity. With an optical output of 20 watts, it stands among the most capable diode machines available, offering cutting performance comparable to small CO2 systems while remaining affordable and easy to use. Its quad-beam laser module compresses light into an ultra-fine, high-intensity spot that can cut through thick wood, acrylic, dark plastics, MDF, and some metals with ease. Users can cut up to 30 millimeters wood in multiple passes and handle heavy-duty fabrication tasks, making it suitable for professional workshops, engraving businesses, and creators who require industrial-level output. The machine offers a spacious 400 by 400 millimeter working area, supporting large projects such as signage, wall art, furniture patterns, and custom-made products. Its sturdy all-metal frame ensures excellent stability, maintaining accuracy even during long cutting sessions. With built-in Wi-Fi, offline operation, and a responsive 3.5-inch touchscreen, the workflow remains smooth and efficient.